Here's how to delete your Google activity, including your web and app activity, search history, and all stored data. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to myactivity.google.com. If you're not signed in, sign in with your Google account. This is where Google stores your search history, location history, voice activity, YouTube history, and more. On the main page, tap Web and App Activity. This section includes your Google searches, app usage, Maps activity, and Chrome browsing history. Now scroll down and tap Manage Activity. At the top, tap Delete. You'll see options like Delete Last Hour, Delete Last Day, Delete All Time, Delete by a custom date range. To remove everything, choose All Time, select your Google services, and tap Delete again to confirm. If you don't want Google to save any more activity, turn off this feature completely. Go back to the Web and App Activity page and toggle the switch off. Confirm by tapping Pause. This stops Google from collecting searches, app data, Maps activity, and Chrome activity moving forward. For full privacy, also review YouTube history, location history, Chrome history sync. You can open each category, delete the stored activity, or pause the tracking just like before. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Google activity and disabled web and app tracking.